Hi Sanjog. So for the users who do not have this T1 password access, are we going to hide this option for them? Because if I click on this, I get these two options: activation email activation, forgot password. If I provide my email ID here, and for example, this user doesn't have access, are we going to show any message here? Because this is getting carry forward. So for example, if I put an email and if I then go and click forgot password, it is directly sending email to the to that employee to reset the password. So are we going to show any message that you do not have access to create a password or something else on this screen, or are we going to hide this? I mean, this we cannot hide this because this screen is common to all, and we do not. I mean, we do not know that whether user has access to set up stone password or not unless and until user provide his email ID and click on the forward password link. Yeah, that's my question. Thank you.